We are headed to the gym to destroy, dominate, conquer, and just totally beat our legs. I'm going in sweatpants and a beanie to get my sweat on. It's gonna be brutal. I'm frustrated, yo. I did not get my 465 on squats. My headphones died like literally 2 minutes into my warm-up, so I didn't have music the whole workout. And I've got to cut my workout short because I got to run home and record a podcast in 20 minutes. Don't like cutting my workout short, especially not a leg workout. I need to get better at managing my chaotic life. I get really good and I take on more stuff and it gets away from me. I gotta like tighten things up a little bit. So I'm gonna start tightening things up a little bit, get more streamlined, more efficient, get more stuff done. Alrighty, y'all, we are at Natural Grocers. A lot has happened since the last clip. The podcast that I had to rush off to went great, except afterwards as I was editing, I realized that my new microphone was not even hooked up right. So we're gonna have to re-record that podcast, which sucks, but what do you do? So I've been kind of frustrated because that and a whole bunch of other stuff has stopped working on me. So let's go get some food at Natural Grocers and start fresh. Crystal's not having a good day either, but she makes me happy because she smiles. Look at those dimples. Look at those dimples. Alright, y'all, so the podcast that I'm going to have to re-record was really good. I learned a lot. I'm excited to re-record it and send it y'all's way. But I stocked up on supplements that we talked about. One is berberine. I'm going to use this to kind of manage blood glucose levels. 500 milligrams. Probably 2 to 3 times a day. I have some ashwagandha root. I'm going to have 1 or 2 of these a day. I have some PQQ and CoQ10. I'm going to have, I don't know, 1 or 2 of these a day as well. And I've got like a whole bunch of, I took 4 pages of notes on this podcast. So I'm excited to like redo it and then publish it for y'all because I learned a whole bunch. Sean Wells is a freaking beast. I also found these sports salts, and I thought this was cool because rather than taking Vega Hydrator or Zip Fizz or something with a lot of sweeteners in there, this stuff, 2 capsules has 889 milligrams of potassium, so about the same as a Zip Fizz almost, 667 milligrams of magnesium, and 440 milligrams of pink Himalayan salt, so sodium. So excited about this. Good way to get your electrolytes in without having the sweeteners. Alright, ladies and gents, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not having a really good day. All of my technology stuff started screwing around with me. Haven't gotten near as much done because I've been dealing with inefficiencies all day. Didn't have as good a workout as I wanted. Podcast didn't work like I wanted. Haven't gotten hardly any content for this vlog, which is incredibly frustrating. Whenever I go to the end of the day and I don't have very much content, I just get irritated. And I'm beating myself up. It's easy for me to like feel sorry for myself and all that crap. It's late, it's 10:30. I've been working on the computer for the past several hours and I really just want to go to bed. And honestly that's just what the reality is. I just want to go to bed. But I'm not going to. You know, today has not ended on a good note yet. And I still have to get content for this vlog. And I still have to feel like I beat the day. And I don't feel that way right now. So, I drove to the gym. I'm about to jump on the Stairmaster. Do 20 minutes on the Stairmaster. And see if I can get my mind right. Because I ain't making excuses for myself anymore. Let's go get it. Yeah, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, I just did like 32 minutes on that Stairmaster. I didn't stop at 20 like I had originally planned. I did like 32. And let me tell you, I feel freaking great. So much better now that I've gone in there freaking dripping wet with sweat. I feel accomplished for the day. Even though it was just like Stairmaster, like just that one little thing tipped me over the accomplishment teeter-totter. And I want to talk about Hormesis. I think that's how I say it. Make sure real quick. Yeah, Hormesis. Hormesis is the opposite of homeostasis. Homeostasis is when your like body finds its comfort zone. It finds its happy place. It like wants to get back to that. That's why it's harder to lose weight, harder to like bust past the plateau in life, careers, relationships, yada yada yada. You have that comfort zone that your body naturally gravitates to. It's like just bred into us through evolution. You know, we have to come back to the comfort zone. That's what's sustainable and survivable, if that's even a word. But guess what? Hormesis is when you introduce a stimulus that pushes you past that point, pushes you past that comfort zone, makes you go to the next level. That's what lets you lose that body fat. That's what lets you reach that next tier in your career or your relationship or anything else in life. And as you go through life, your perspective changes, your perception changes. You're able to kind of like gradually scale up, scale up, scale up. So that homeostatic point, hopefully, is constantly moving upward. But guess what? Sometimes you have to tip it over the edge a little bit, give it a little stimulus, a little hormesis to bump it past that next level. And that's what it was for me tonight. It made no sense for me psychologically, physiologically, to come in here at 10:30 at night and do 20 minutes of Stairmaster. So what did I do? Came in here at 10:30 at night and did 32 minutes of Stairmaster, and I feel freaking great because of it. I got some vlog footage. Hopefully you got a little nugget from this. I feel better about the day in general. I can go to bed with a smile on my face as opposed to being pissed off. And that means I can wake up tomorrow and feel much better about the day because I had a good day today. So that said, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna get a cold shower, I'm gonna go to bed, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow.